Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another jam recipe. This one is carrot jam with beautiful cinnamon, star anise, and cloves. It's a very simple, easy recipe, so let's just see how you make it. So to make the carrot jam, you're going to need 400 grams of carrots, and initially you need the carrots and the sugar to be in the same ratio, but we're only using 300 grams of sugar because we don't like it too sweet. And for the aromatics, I guess, you're gonna need a cinnamon stick, about 2 or 1.5 star anise, and 5 cloves. Your first step is to grate the carrots. So after grating the carrots, you put them into a larger bowl, and you add your sugar. Add in the sugar, we're going to mix it really well, and the reason we add the sugar and then we're going to put it in the fridge to chill for 3 to 4 hours overnight works as well. The reason we do this is so when we cook when we make the jam, we don't need to add water so the carrots can cook. So this process makes it easier. So we're just going to cover it now, and we're going to let it chill 3 to 4 hours overnight as well, as much as you want. So now after a few hours, we're just going to put it in a pot over low heat to cook. And as you can see, it has released the water, which is what we'll use to cook the carrots. So we're just going to pour it into our pot. So now we put it over low heat. And we're going to add all our aromatics and stir it. Has plenty of water to cook and caramelize and just make this beautiful jam. So now we're going to cover it, and we're going to let it cook for as long as it takes, because it's on low heat. So if you have the time, put it on low heat and let it cook for. As it cooks, keep continuously stirring it and watching over it, because it might stick to the bottom and burn. So it is boiling, and as you can see, it is cooking in its own water, and it's kind of starting to thicken. So this looks good. This took us 30 minutes to cook and get to this consistency. So now we're just going to remove our aromatics, and we're going to blend it because we want a smooth texture. But if you like it this way, you can keep it this way. So we reached the consistency we want. So now we just put it on heat, and we keep it on heat for a maximum of 2 minutes, and then we switch off the heat. So now that the jam has cooled down, this is what it looks like. So as you can see, the texture looks really nice, nice and smooth, and the color is so vibrant and beautiful. So I'll highly recommend that you guys try this one. You can taste the carrot, but then you can also taste all the aromatics, like the cinnamon and the cloves, the star anise. They taste so beautiful and amazing together, so I would definitely recommend that you guys try this jam out. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, follow us on our Facebook and Instagram, so you guys can support me to make more content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.